$3.55 of strawberry cough.
Straight to the abyss with a death wish, pasta and fish, and cannabis, and a bucket list, just bucket list, and stuck in this like a stuffy fish. Did you know that? Snap quick like a Kodak. Homie, where's that grow at? Do you need the roll? That it's time to blow that film on home. Every time I come through, I take it down what you want to do. I got a nigga with the run too. I don't need a gun, dude. You tell the run.
Press using the best bags on the market. Hell yeah. You know what that is? That's the show bags right there, fam. Hit them up, check them out right there. There's the info. They also run the CB9 company. Best CBD pills out there. 80% blood to brain ratio. Hit them up, man. Augie and Nate from Showbags. Plus, couldn't get all this awesome, delicious bomb rosin without the press. And that's the man right there, RosinTBags.com. BD. The 4.0 20-ton electric press, babies. Peace.